So in today's video, I'm going to be going over the functionality of this solar panel little floodlight that's motion activated. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like and how I install it and what it looks like at night. All right, so this is the front of your light, and what I really like about this is you can pivot this to any way you please. You can almost do a full turnaround with that light, which is nice, and same thing on this side as well. But these pivot very nicely. This is your little motion sensor right here, and this is your little solar panel that you want to have in your direct sunlight. Now I want to show you how simple this is to install and the materials that come with it for you to literally do everything and not needing any extra hardware. So it comes with 2 screws that go directly in there, and this actually slips right in this channel. I don't know if you can you see that right there? That goes right into the channel, and it just slides in, and it makes it very simple to install. So I'm going to show you guys, we're going to install this in a tree, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Also too, one of the things I want to point out, it does come with a nice little remote control for on and off. You can kind of set it as you want, dusk till dawn, everything like that, motion only, or when it's dark all the time. All right, so right behind me I have the ladder where I'm going to mount the light up here, so it lights up this whole side of the house. Right now I have no lighting, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to literally drill directly into the tree and hang the light. All right, so I'm going to probably go about 3 steps up. So I'm going to put this directly into the tree. All right, so now we're going to put the light directly in the tree, and we're going to slide it directly on the back of this bracket. I know it might be hard to see. And there it is, it just clicked right into place. And you can adjust these. Let's get down. We are going to pivot this down a little bit. We want the solar panel in direct sunlight and the lighting showing over the grass. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like at night, so you have a very good idea on what this looks like. All right, so I have the light right there in the tree, and I am going to walk up to it. I don't want to blind you, so I'm just going to face it out here into the grass. Now, look at that. That literally lights up the entire side of my house. I'm going to walk all the way around from behind. There's Alice. So yeah, that really, I mean, look at that. Whew, definitely recommend this light. I mean, that is not bad at all. I'm gonna just walk as far out as I can to show you how much this lit up. There's Alice. Man, I'll break this. I know it off. Definitely recommend it. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this light, you can get this directly in my descriptions. For more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and write down in the comments what kind of installs or DIYs that you guys want to see. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.